Flood watch in effect from Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of southern Connecticut, including the following areas: northern Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, northern New London, southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex, southern New Haven and southern New London, northeast New Jersey, including the following areas: eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic and western Union, and southeast New York, including the following areas: Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, northeast Suffolk, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northern Westchester, northwest Suffolk, Putnam, Staten Island, Rockland, southeast Suffolk, southern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Westchester, and southwest Suffolk. When? From Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: 1 to 3 inches of rain, with locally higher amounts, is expected. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Here is the official